How to customize your Twitter or X profile. Let's get started. Launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find your profile picture. Click on that. Now navigate to the option of profile. Now click on the option of edit profile. Now from here, you can easily customize bio, profile picture and more. First up, I'm going to show you guys how can you change your profile picture or add a profile picture. Click over here. Your gallery will open up. Now select the profile picture for your X account. Now edit the picture and then click on apply. Click on done. With that, your profile picture will be updated. Likewise, you can also set cover picture. Just click on it. Select the cover picture. Click on apply. Click on done. If you want to make changes to your name, you can just clear this name and then type in the new name. Likewise, if you want to add anything to your bio, you can type in over here. If you want to add location, you can click over here and then search for the location and add it. Likewise, if you want to add any website link, you can type in over here. Clicking on this drop down, you can change your date of birth. Likewise, if you want to switch your X account to the professional, you can click over here. Once you are done customizing these, you can click on save. With that, all of your X details will be updated. So this way you can easily customize your Twitter profile. That's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.